Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about inheritance introduction, part of programming in C++ course. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows one class to inherit properties and behaviors from another class, creating a parent-child relationship between the classes. In C++, inheritance is achieved using colon operator. Here is an example of inheritance in C++. In this example, the class shape is the base class and the class rectangle is the derived class. The derived class rectangle inherits the properties width and height from the base class shape and also adds its own behavior, the method area, to calculate the area of the rectangle. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.